Soldier, where do you get the right to take a life and start a fight, to simply wipe it out? Tell me now, what has he done to you? Where do you let yourself be shot through? Why do you go to war? Soldiers, throw your weapons away. Don't die for those who led from far away. Yeah, let them, all those men of power, fight their own fight in this hour. Sit on a bench, you soldiers, and think about it all. Sit on a bench, you soldiers, it would be worth the call. The call. Sit on a bench, you soldiers, and think about it all. Sit on a bench, you soldiers, it would be worth